Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to log chicken breast on MyFitnessPal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like dashboard, log food, plans and more. You have to tap on log food on the bottom of the screen. There you can see options like breakfast, lunch, etc. You have to tap on add food right below breakfast or lunch. It depends when you had that chicken breast. I'm gonna add it on lunch. Tap on add food. Then you can see there are options like suggestion. You can even search for a food from the top of the screen. I'm gonna add that chicken breast option as it is already available on my screen. Just tap on that plus sign and there you go, the food has been logged. And guys, that's it. That's how you log chicken breast on MyFitnessPal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.